I actually stayed here last night. So last night turned into quite a fun night. This couple from Islamabad came, and we had quite a night. Ended up partying a little bit. Ended up in the treehouse. So I don't think it's a little windy, so I hope it's not too bad. But I want to show you, these are the tent room things, and they have bigger ones too. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure what that one is, but these are the bigger ones. But this is all, I didn't realize this, it's all self-sufficient here. With the water, the electricity, everything's solar powered. And so you can see, windy. Look, there's the water heater. So the solar water heater, electricity, solar, has its own waste management system, and there's the tree house. It looked a little bit bigger last night. So there's a tree house there. There's hammocks here. It's just a really nice area. Tomorrow morning I'm going to get up early and see the sunrise over, I think over here, he said, over the Himalayas. So tomorrow will be an early start, and then I have to leave. I was only supposed to come stay here for one night, but I couldn't resist another night. Look at that little oasis, and every cabin has little chairs outside, so you can. It's a little hazy today, but I still can't get over the views. And he was just telling me in the wintertime down here, people come ice skating. So this place is open all year round. And there's no Wi-Fi here, but there's a cell phone tower up there. So yeah, I think it's the best place in town for cell phone service. But I'm just really impressed with this place. With that it has everything you need, and it's all just very impressed. I had a really good menu, really good food. They have a chef, a restaurant area, menu, and they're so nice. If I want tea, they'll just come and they'll bring me tea to my my cabin tent whenever I want it. And just over the sand dunes, I went there yesterday. It's simply stunning, but also because this place is open all year, in the winter time it's just different activities. They'll do like snowboarding and everything on the sand dunes, snowboarding. It's just completely different activities. But last night was unbelievable, but I couldn't video it. Just the stars were just amazing. The stars, and then see the moon behind the Himalayas there moving. It was kind of like surreal. Everything's surreal. Everything's just surreal here. Pakistan is surreal. It's just far exceeded my expectations in every single way. The people, I mean, they can't do enough to offer to help. Everybody's so generous, and they're just so appreciative of tourists. Some people have never even seen a tourist, and just to see their little faces light up when you see little kids, it's just so nice. I'm just completely blown away by this country so far. I don't want to leave. So I have to, I'm not sure where I'm going to go next. But Skardu is absolutely stunning. There's no, I keep saying stunning, but I can't think of any other words, because there's not many words to describe it, other than, because it's just surreal. It just feels like, it feels like I'm in some sort of movie scene, like a movie set, because it just doesn't seem real. So I'm at my glamping spot, and I can't get out. Somebody's locked the door. There's a really, really bad sandstorm out. Look. It's like really, really bad. It's like the worst. There's been a few since I've been here, but this one is really, really, really bad. And there's sand everywhere. Like everything is covered in sand. And like everything. But I was just going to go out and get some food and some water because I'm thirsty and I can't get out because the door's locked. And I don't have anybody's phone number across there, across in the restaurant part. But like the door locks up here, but there's a deadbolt on the other side here. So somebody came and locked me in. I don't know if they're I don't know if they didn't know I was here, or I don't know. But the only thing I have to drink is some beer that the Islamabad couple left the other night, and I'm so thirsty. I'm gonna have to crack it open. Oh. Wow. Cheers. I really wanted water. But this is really, it's actually calmed down a lot. But you can't see anything. No, it's not calmed down a lot. So, this is me. I'm thirsty, I'm hungry, and all I have is beer and chocolate and some cigarettes, but I can't get out. So finally, after 2 hours of being locked in here, I've been looking out the window the whole time, and I saw some people walk by, so I was banging on the door, and somebody came and unlocked my door, so I'm free. I drank the two cans of beer. Thanks, Tanya. So this is how it is. But everything is covered in sand inside. This is not even half what it was like a little while ago. I don't know. This is my door. This is just after. This was clean before, but the sand. He said it doesn't matter how you try and seal this place, the sand gets everywhere. So I just cleaned this morning. I don't know how long these sandstorms normally go on for. Let me see. But it's brutal. I think that's why they only have the flights in the morning, because they would never be able to land. Before, you couldn't even see anything out here. It was so bad. Now everything has got sand in it. But at least now I don't need to drink beer, I can drink some water. It's getting worse. I suppose. It is brutal. But the sand dunes will be perfect when this is all blows over. So this is how it sounds again. Oh, when there's a sandstorm. And they're quite frequent. I'm trying to open this door. It might be a bad idea. Actually, I can't get it.
Oh, it's coming and rain now.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
I can't stick my head out here. So look at the sky over here in the mountains. Like yesterday's sandstorm, but it looks like there's another one coming. Like over here. It's just getting bigger and bigger. Look at that.
It's coming this way.
So it was over there. And it's moving. So we'll see very soon if it comes this way. Because right now it's like this. And then probably maybe 5 minutes. I can just see it coming in here. Down there in the marshes. It's coming in quickly. Impending doom. Look how quickly this is coming in here. It's eerie. I feel rain. I can't believe it's really coming in quick. I'm gonna have to go in, I think, in a minute. Yeah. I hope I don't get locked in my cabin today. Look at that. Whoa. It's still like in the mountains, it's still crystal clear up here. But now, oh my god, right. Let's see. Whoa, now you can't see a thing. I didn't think it would be come in that quickly. It was like 5 minutes. Now you can see nothing. Just mountains there are getting cut. Whoa. Jesus, right, I have to... See that? It's bad. So, I'm still at Glamp. Alright, I just wanted to say, yesterday I asked the owner, I asked Fide what, it's so bright, what the deal was yesterday when the sandstorm came in. If somebody locked me in. And I guess the protocol here is if there's a really major sandstorm, they have to run around and make sure all the doors are shut. like deadbolted from the outside. And because I was the only person staying here, I guess they forgot about me and locked me in. So, but there's a window. Oops, I didn't know that at the time. There's a window in there that you can get out. So if that ever happened again, I know how to get out. I won't be stuck in there with nothing to drink other than warm beer. But I've got no warm beer anymore. Now, lockdown, and looks like I'm stuck here for the next 8 days. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm by myself. There's no other tourists here. The tourist police, I had only planned on coming here for 1 day, and I'm going to end up staying here for quite a lot longer. And I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. I've got a little bit service, but I'm having to go into the village now to get some credit, because I was playing music last night and I ran out of credit. So I've got to go get some credit, some supplies, and then I don't know. I don't know. So I just came back from the shop, so I've had every kind of weather here. You saw before how nice it was. Now it's absolutely pissing down. It was gorgeous before. I've had sandstorms, I've had everything, and now it's pissing down. But it's cool. It's really cooled off a lot, so it's nice. I've been in the desert now for how many days?
10 days. 10 days.
It's not 10 days.
For about a week.
For about a week.
And it's a fucking hot desert.
And it's known to be one of the coldest deserts in the world.
But you know, luckily, I had some friends that came to visit me.
Yeah.
I told them to come to the cold desert.
I came from Lahore to see this cold desert, but it's fucking hot. It's really fucking hot. Even hotter than Lahore.
So, he's a bit disappointed that it's not cold. So now we're heading out to try and find somewhere cold. Like a lake or something, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a lake.
He is taking us to a lake.
We're trying to find a cold...
Yeah, there are some villages as well over there.
Oh.
Yeah, we will see some locals as well. And
Oh.
we will swim in the lake as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Real cold lake.
A real cold lake. So we'll see what happens there.